Welcome to 127 Willowbottom Drive, Greer, South Carolina. This spacious and beautifully designed 4-bedroom, 4-bath home that perfectly accommodates households of all sizes. The formal dining room features a coffered ceiling, elegant chair rail, and wainscoting, setting the stage for memorable gatherings. The kitchen is a dream for any home cook, boasting a bar-top island, granite countertops, ceramic tile backsplash, stainless steel gas range, dishwasher, and microwave. On the main level, you'll also find a bedroom with a full bath, ideal for guests or multi-generational living. Upstairs, the home features 3 more generously sized bedrooms, including the master suite, which features a tray ceiling, dual walk-in closets, a dream for couples, and a stunning en-suite bath complete with ceramic tile floors, a walk-in shower, a separate soaking tub, and a chic barn door entry. The additional bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom, and the conveniently located laundry room is just down the hall. The large flex space, measuring 19 by 20, provides endless possibilities. Step outside to enjoy the expansive 15 by 25 covered patio with tongue and groove ceilings. The community has wonderful amenities, including a pool and cabana area. Call today to find out more about this amazing home.